morning, Roadrunners.
I'm Chloe.
And I'm Haley. Today is August 29th.
Today is a blue day for kinder through 4th grade.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
And place your right hand over your heart.
Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please continue standing for a moment of silence.
Now let's go to our field reporter, Ronnie, who will tell us the weather and our positive affirmation for the day.
Hi, I'm Ronnie, and today's weather is going to be a high 95 and a low 76. The positive affirmation for today is give people the gift of your full attention. Now back.
Thank you, Ronnie, for that positivity.
Our choices for lunch today are Hawaiian pizza, cheese pizza, sun butter and jelly sandwich, and crinkle fries. On Tuesday, you can have a cheesy egg breakfast burrito or a variety of cereals.
Hey, Chloe, what's a tornado's favorite game to play?
I don't know, what is it?
Twister.
Oh! The PTO is raising funds towards additional shade structures and murals at Chick-fil-a today from 6:30 to 10. Be sure to mention Spirit Night while placing your order. Today is the final day of the elementary student council elections.
It was great seeing everyone's posters and hearing those speeches.
We have amazing kids here at the Ridge. The winners of the election will be announced at the end of the school day today. Good luck, elementary.
Today is Fun Friday at Excel today. We have a special 2-hour enrichment activities.
From 2:10 to 4, you can choose from Dungeons and Dragons with Mr. Blank, MESA with Mrs. Villa and Miss Trebes, and Drama with Miss Watson.
Don't miss the extended day of creativity and fun. Today in 1st grade, it's Sophia F's birthday, and tomorrow is staff member Mr. Matiella and Lilith C, Nova D, and Ezra A.
The world is a better place because you were born into it. Now it's time for the Ridge statement. Please say it with us.
At the Ridge, we respect each other, show integrity, demonstrate positive attitudes with gratitude and kindness, and lead with excellence in all that we do. That's it for our morning announcements. Please remember our Roadrunner rules. Be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and please be kind. Have a great day, Roadrunners. Beep, beep.